you believe that? Hang around and watch the rest of the video.
Oh, Bruce ain't gonna help matters none.
Nope. Sticks, roots, everything.
That didn't work. She's gonna get stepped on.
Oh, that busted his wide open.
Oh, we get a lot of exercise doing that. What'd you do?
When I hit it went right through the deck, went down, and she jumped and hit her right up on the bottom of the chin.
Oh, it hit her. That's the ball.
Stick. Oh no.
Go get the ball. Look at my ball.
Yeah.
Oh, you get the ball.
Lucy, Lucy, Lucy. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy. All right.
I can't even hit that ball. I'm going a little too high.
All right. Okay. Center court. Up.
No.
Yeah, learn how to hold it in my hand again.
I can't throw it like a... I don't think it'll go through that goal. It ain't going in there.
Oh, it'll go in there. It'll go in there. You gotta hit it just right.
See?
One thing, I got so much air in these basketballs.
It bounced.
Yeah, they bounce. Oh, don't that one, bub. Didn't even hit the rim.
I didn't even see it.
Didn't even hit the rim. Almost. Take your time. Smoke. Ooh, perfect.
That ain't fair.
Oh, there you go.
Woo!
You should play basketball all the time. My thing was smoking the net. I didn't care about bouncing it off the backboard. I like to just hit the net. That's too high. Get more. Oh!
Yeah. Lucy says, I'm going after it for you. No. All right. Woo!
Gotta start back short again. Learning how to make that. How to make the.
I can't go with one hand. Stop it. There you go, girl. You know we don't go from being old people playing basketball in 5 minutes.
Smoked it. Smoked that one. All right. Pressure's on. Almost. Oh, that was going down the hill, yonder, all the way. I mean, go get it, Lucy. Go, go, go.
Hurry. Get it. You need to bring it back. A little bigger than you make it.
Okay, I got a better choice.
Whoa! Nice. All right, Lucy, let's play. Oh, it won't bounce in the leaf. It has to be ready. It won't bounce.
3 in a row.
Huh. I thought it was hit it. It's going uphill.
Pretty easy,
Woo!
actually.
I did good.
Oh, I knew that was going to go crooked. It left my hand. You always know when it leaves your hand. Oh, I missed the whole goal.
Welcome to the club.
You're looking up at the sky, not at the trees. And it's an optical illusion.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Oh, yeah. Oh, mine bounced all around the whole thing.
There we go.
There we go. Oh, way back here.
There you go. There we go. All right. Woo!
Ah.
I throw like a girl.
Nope, I didn't even hit the goal from way back there.
Catch mine while you at it. Bring it back. Thank you, Lucy. That helps.
Oh, I knew I gotta get a better grip on my hand. I can tell when it leaves my hand.
Oh, man.
Ooh, smoked. Okay, now I see how I gotta hold my hand now.
Woo!
Oh. Same place again. Just that wrist.
Woo!
Oh, too far.
All right, make it do the globetrotter thing. Woo! We're taking this on the road, Papa.
Taking it to the road.
Stop. Okay.
There we go, see? I used to do that all day. Look at that.
All that junk.
Huh?
Now behind your back.
Okay, one more time. This is for the road.
I mean, where they go,
Look at it. Ooh, perfect.
where they go around.
Oh, yeah.
I can't do it. I have not. A little bit. bigger than I used to be.
Get it, huh?
Oh.
In the center. Oh, and over and missed it. Oh, totally missed it.
Got it. Okay, I'm done. On that note, I'm done.
Look at that. Perfect. Perfect.
Guys, I'm going to tell you what. That's the first time we've touched a basketball.
I ain't touched a basketball in 30-something years.
Since our kids were little.
Yeah.
So, I might have played a few times with my kids when they were young.
Oh, I used to play with my children when they were young, yeah.
That's about,
I played basketball.
I'd say that's been a good 20 years ago, not 30.
No, our children, baby.
Our kids are in their 40s.
Our children in their late 40s, yeah.
Mid, late 30s and 40s.
Yeah.
Woo. Okay, let's start that over again. Man, I feel old now. You want to go join the Globetrotters?
Yeah. I need to grab that ball like that, hold it straight out. And your ball may be different.
Ah. Woo, you did it. All right, guys, I got to fix some supper.
Yep.
Maybe the grandkids will enjoy this, and Papa and I might come out and play a little bit. And
yeah, well, you know what? It's 80-something degrees out here right now.
it is. It's hot.
It's hot. I'm talking about my hair is soaking wet.
But this was fun. I didn't know I could still dribble, and this ground is not the best in the world for dribbling.
Usually when you get to be our age, dribbling means something else.
That's Lucy. She dribbles all the time.
Yeah.
Ooh, but this was fun, guys. Wasn't it?
Oh, yeah. I might come back out and do it just for the fun of it.
We might get physically fit
I might.
with a basketball over the next few months, huh?
I still run, so it's not like I'm, not out of shape. But I mean,
I'm out of shape, y'all, and I still could play basketball.
Oh yeah, you were hitting the goal pretty good. Yeah.
All right, guys. Until next time, we might have a basketball. I might challenge Danny in the future.
Maybe.